What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Lean and Mean Academy, and today we are cleaning this Stucco Breezeway. It's kind of grimy. It's got a lot of cobwebs, as you can see, and we're gonna go ahead and jump in the video. Roll that beautiful bean footage. That's a deal.
To get started in the pressure washing business.
What's up, guys? Aaron here with the Lean and Mean Academy. Welcome back.
3, 2, 1.
And we're trained inside of our minds subconsciously.
Look at that. Number 1. Hey! Hey! What are you doing, man?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Lean and Mean Academy, where we talk about one truck, big profits, baby. All right, so today we are cleaning this nasty little Stucco Breezeway. Like I said, it's got a lot of cobwebs. But before we do, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit the good old-fashioned bell and smash the like button for me. Help me out with that Google, YouTube algorithm. All right. So I got to figure out if they want to do the flooring. It's pretty nasty. I've done this before, dude. This is a repeat client. I've been working for them for like 3 years. And when I was in the music game, I used to write songs here. Fun fact, which is really cool. So now I'm cleaning their joint, and you know, the money I didn't make on the music game, I am making now pressure washing. So hey, before we get started, if you want to start your pressure washing business, better yet, launch your business, you want to clean high ticket things like this, recurring, have these high ticket clients continually calling you back to clean their nasty stone, to clean their breezeways at a profitable rate, I urge you to join the 580 other local Dom alumni who are a part of our local domination 0 to 7K blueprint course. First link in the description, first link in the comments. Let's jump into this. All right, so we're currently cranking up the lava box because I just upsold a driveway, like a little stone driveway cleaning. So you're gonna see it here in a second. It's real slippery and nasty, kind of an insurance liability. So instead of just cleaning all the stucco, we're gonna now clean this little driveway slot. It won't be that much, but you know, we'll add on the ticket. So there we go. Nasty. I ain't got Kim's coming yet, but we will have it soon, my friends. A little hot mix here. Treat this stone up, kill some of this algae before I surface clean it. It's not crazy hot. We ain't spraying lava right now, but just enough to loosen it up. There we go. Smell it coming now. Okay, so we're all pre-treated up. Got a nice little downstream on it. We're not really trying to clean the stucco per se, the stucco. We're trying to just remove these cobwebs, man. Like, they were just all bunched up around these lights, right? And they were all, it was just really just grimy, nasty. Didn't give a good perception, you know. This is one of the top songwriting publishing houses in Nashville, and they want to maintain that image, you know. They don't want to be looking like a Ricky Tommy when they are a Mercedes bins when they are a local Dom alumni, bro. They don't want to look like that, all right? So we're all pre-treated up. I'm not doing anything over here. I used to clean these windows, man. I used to water fed pole this. That goes out to somebody else. I just do all the pressure washing now. So now that we are pre-treated up, let's run into the rinse. Y'all are gonna watch me actually clean this stone right here. I'm gonna surface clean it as well. And then we're gonna roll up them hoses, get this money, and be out of here.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. Hold up. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
All right, guys, what's up? We are wrapped up here. Mad Max is packed up, cranked up, got that diesel rattle going. Look at these, look at this right here. Clean, everything is clean, no cobwebs, no nothing. Spick and span. This area has been done as well. So, again, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button for me if you want to follow along with the Lean and Mean Academy. One truck, big profits. We stay lean and mean, all right? So I'll see you guys on the flip side in the next video.